If you want to be happy, get laid.
For the remainder of this video, I'll be teaching you about Gandhi and his 10-step journey for inner peace and happiness.
From all the mumbo-jumbo advice, all the way to the science-backed reasons on how to be happy, there are hundreds of articles out there. Happiness is all about the number of happy moments that you can have on any given day. It all boils down to one equation. That equation is happiness equals reality minus expectations. If you're new to my channel, my name is Faris and I make videos on tech, self-growth, and how to live happier. Before we jump into it, if you enjoy this video, smash that like button. Let's say you pull up to a gas station. You see some lottery tickets and you decide to get one. A week goes by and you are a millionaire. Your expectations were 0 because it was an impromptu decision, but your reality is a 10. You're living the dream on a yacht, sipping on a mimosa, getting steak dinners every single night. Therefore, your happiness is a 10. But let's say the lottery prize has been the highest it's ever been in years. You and your friends have been talking about it for weeks. You pool up money together, and then you go buy some tickets. A week goes by, and you're the winners. You are still living the dream. However, this time, your expectations are a 5, your reality is still a 10, and your happiness is a 5. So what's happening here? It's clear that the expectations component of this equation is impacting your happiness. To increase happiness, you can either enhance your reality or decrease your expectations. I think it's important to emphasize the expectations part of this equation. We've all been in a situation where we were super excited and then we were just let down. I expect my Wi-Fi to always be working 24 hours a day, 365 times a year. And the moment it breaks, you Comcast. And that's because my expectations are a 10 out of 10 that the internet should always be working. So that's one solution. Lower your expectations. It's a lot easier said than done. So I challenge you, for the next social hangout you have, try not to be attached to what you expect the outcome to be. Instead, go into it looking forward to the experience itself, whether things go well or if they go bad. Now, the other route you can take is to enhance your reality. But it's not with the snap of a finger that I can just win the lottery and everything can be different. And most of us don't have options like that available. However, there are actual distinct actions you can start taking today to enhance your reality. That can range from getting better sleep, having a better diet, and exercising more. This actually reminds me of the science-based and evidence-based approaches for happiness. Whereas the category of expectations actually reminds me of some of that mumbo-jumbo stuff relating to mindfulness, spirituality, and having more faith in religion. The more mindful you are, the more you practice your religion, you're able to actually decrease your expectations day over day. You don't have to take one route or the other route. In actuality, I think most people will be happier by taking a combination of both. Which side do you want to focus on? Let me know in the comments below. Remember, if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit subscribe so you don't miss out. I actually learned the happiness equation from a book called Emotional Equations by Chip Conley. If you like this type of stuff, check out the book. You might enjoy it.